KH Industries Cord Reel Power Station provides power to your fleet parking lot or job site. Mounted, retractable, NEMA 4X exterior rated cord reels are an ideal way to safely get power to a variety of applications. Cord reel power stations can be used in a number of applications due to their ability to be customized and configured for a variety of commercial and industrial applications. Keeping equipment charged and powered up is essential, but with power cords all over, it can be an accident waiting to happen. The cord reel power station is designed to create a safer work area with retractable cords up off the ground, reducing trip and fall hazards while delivering protected power where you need it. Though the cord reel power station is customizable, these weather-resistant power stations come standard in a few configurations: 6-foot 4x1, 6-foot 4x2, and 3-foot 4x1 for a raised foundation or jersey barrier mount. The 6-foot 4x1 station contains 4 RTF series cord reels mounted on a single level to a 6-foot powder-coated steel pole. The 6-foot 4x2 station contains 4 RTF series cord reels mounted on 2 levels. The 3-foot 4x1 station contains 2 RTF series cord reels on a single level, mounted to a 3-foot powder-coated steel pole for a raised foundation or jersey barrier mount. KH Industries industrial-grade cord reel power stations are available in a variety of configurations and are fully customizable based on unique job specifications. Cord reel stations typically come with 2, 3, or 4 cord reels. They come with standard applications such as power indicator lights and 20-amp NEMA 4 exterior-rated RTF series cord reels for maximum corrosive resistance. Standard reels come with 30, 50, or 60 feet of cord. Also standard is GFCI protection and a lifting hook for easy installation. What makes the KH cord reel power station so versatile is that there are a number of configurations and options available to make each station unique to the needs of the application. Customers are able to choose from adapter breakaway cables, local overcurrent protection, and SPAR-Arm extenders to add additional adjacent reels and more. Ideal for a variety of worksite conditions, KH cord reel power stations have featured prominently in many industry applications. Ready to start customizing a cord reel station for your specific application? Contact us today and we'll help design what you need.